at that. Look at that. There you go, boss. I thought you were going underneath that. There you go. There you go. Get over. You're gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah. Shoot. You're up there, bud, but you're okay. That was good. Excellent. Woo! Go. Go. Stop turning. Car path? Oh!
Oh, wow. That was cool though, eh?
That was awesome. That was awesome. But
Totally safe. Look at this. Great little chip on. Putting for par. Is it relatively flat or? Oh yeah, it's almost uphill still.
not bad, brother. Surrender. You got it.
Oh, I love that.
I'd like to say that's fucking money, but I really couldn't tell you.
If I was aimed a little,
Hey.
smoked it.
Yeah.
Okay, a little 52. Oh, hate my life. Lifted my head like a hockey shot. Sit, sit, sit. A little too hard. Teeth did a touch.
Not bad.
Oh, no. Oh, that was okay. I'm in the sand on the right.
Real nice shot there.
It's slowing right down. It's just slow. Oh, come on, dude.
Where'd you end up, boss?
Down the fucking hill to the left. After a beauty draw, that was just a little off aim. I gotta save face and just get this up there on the green. Here we go.
That's all I did, brother.
Alright, here's a PGA putt for you guys.
Alright, just remember, don't want to be long. Slow down. Hit the putt, hit the hole, slow it. Well, you sent it.
That's what I was looking for today.
I think this might be in the sand.
Oh no, you did. Just before the sand. Oh, come on.
Oh!
Oh, got lucky.
Oh my
Got
goodness.
so lucky. Uh-oh. Settle down, settle down.
Just fine.
Settle down.
No, you're fine.
Settle down.
No.
Yeah?
Hit it with some junk. There it is. Come back off that back. Oh, there you go.
Hell yeah. Slow. I had to get over that lip, so I had to get that far.
Yeah, they went past it.
Uh-oh.
It's alright.
I lifted my head.
Nice. Hey, that's awesome, brother. Excellent.
Thank you.
That might be in the hole.
Might be my best shot ever.